Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by selecting a probiotic specifically formulated for fish species and water type. Do not use human blends. Choose a product labeled for marine or freshwater use, containing at least 1x10 CFU per gram, and list strains such as Bacillus or Lactobacillus designed for gut colonization. Check storage instructions. Many need refrigeration at 4 degrees C. Confirm no antibiotics in the mix, and that the product is stable for at least 90 days under recommended conditions. The only reliable administration method is a feed-based dose. Target 1x10 CFU per gram of feed for daily use, adjusted by biomass. To prepare, suspend the probiotic powder in a small amount of sterile water and mix into feed using a binder like fish oil at roughly 5% of feed weight to improve adhesion. Spread the coated pellets on a tray and dry briefly until feed reaches about 8% moisture. This reduces leaching and preserves CFU during storage and feeding. Administer the coated feed once or twice daily according to species' metabolic needs, continuing a course of 30 to 90 days to allow gut colonization. Monitor aquarium parameters, temperature, pH, and ammonia, and keep temperature within the species' normal range. Probiotics help but do not replace water quality control. Watch fish behavior and health. Expect improved appetite, reduced fin rot incidence, and lower ammonia spikes within 2 to 4 weeks. If no improvement, reassess strain choice, dosing, or consult an aquatic veterinarian.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.